Faithless is he that says farewell when the road darkens. The world is full enough of hurts and mischances without wars to multiply them. A man that flies from his fear may find that he has only taken a shortcut to meet it. Shortcuts make long delays. Any riddle solved then seems surprisingly easy. Fair speech may hide a foul heart. It is not the strength of the body that counts, but the strength of the spirit. Where there's life, there's hope. Courage is found in unlikely places. Defeat inevitability awaits only those who despair in advance. All's well that ends better. There is more good in you than you know. There is no victory without suffering. False hopes are more dangerous than fears. And the most skillful spider allows slack in his web. Even the smallest person can change the course of the future. I'm talking aloud to myself a lot, a habit of the old. They choose the wisest person present to speak to. The wise speak only of what they know. Luck is a tricky thing. Don't tempt it. How do you move on? You move on when your heart finally understands that there is no turning back. You can only come to the morning through the shadows. There are wounds that will never fully heal.